Notepad.
What's going on, guys?
It is your boy Rish coming back with another video, man. Obviously with the TSX, as you could tell from the title. How much have I spent on my build so far? We're chilling in the TSX. Got my fucking notepad again. I really appreciate you guys for all the support on the latest TSX videos, especially 2 of them, top 10 common issues, and should you buy an Acura TSX? You guys were killing it with the love and support. Literally, these 2 videos are like blowing up and the channel has been growing and growing. I've never really seen this much engagement. It's amazing to see. It makes me feel awesome. And just seeing all the positive feedback, despite, you know, a couple negatives, like the positive outweighs the negative heavily. Like lately, it's been crazy. It just makes me motivated to keep giving you guys content and trying to drop videos every 2-3 videos a week type of thing, you know. Should you buy an Acura TSX? We're already at 2.9k views, and that was 2 weeks ago, but it's continuously growing. That's at a whopping 139 likes, which is crazy. Has a lot of comments and engagement on it too. People just talking, conversing, you know. And on the top 10 common issues, 2 days ago, it's at 1.8k views and it's at 127 likes, which is crazy as well. I really appreciate you guys. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. So if you guys want any Rish merch or stickers or anything, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Check out the website. All links are down below in the description. Let's get down to this video. Finally. So, how much have I spent on my Acura TSX thus far? I got it in the winter last year. It was real cold when we got it. Joven, say how you feeling right now. Cold as fuck.
Freezing.
Real gloomy out today, but you know, got the vibes going in the car, in the garage. All right, so I'm gonna start listing off all the mods that I have so far. Then in the end, I'm just gonna say the total and how much I spent on the car. Notepad, man. So number 1, got the Comp Stage 2 clutch plus lightweight flywheel with the OEM throwout bearing that I just bought. That came out to a whopping $950. A Honda Flash Pro that I bought back that I sold, spent $400 on that. BC Racing Extreme Lows, $1,000. Euro R lip kit. I spent $1,000 for the lip kit itself, then $300 on the paint. So $1,300. I got a deal on the paint. Number 5, Weapon R header. I think I spent roughly $750, $800. I think it's a little bit more maybe on the Weapon R header. I don't quite remember. And I just checked Heel-Toe and it says configure for price. Custom exhaust, you know, with the True Bend piping and the K-Tune turn down muffler and the resonator. That was roughly $650. I got the RRC Type R manifold, $560. Got that from Heel-Toe. Use my 5% off discount code Rish, all caps, at Heel-Toe. Save yourself some money and, you know, show that the support going both ways. You feel? Number 8, J37 throttle body. Shout out to David Wren. Got it brand new for $200. Koenig wheels, $399, because these are from the last TSX. Spent close to $1,000. Number 10, CT short shifter and the Maven shift knob, $399 from our sponsors, Heel-Toe. Did that video on installation and whatnot, so go check that out. Links down below. Use that 5% off discount code at Heel-Toe, man. Honestly, I think that sums it up for the TSX. The total I have spent in parts, roughly $5,860. Already, which is crazy because I'm just getting started. I haven't even installed some of these parts yet, which I'm kind of waiting to do because I got to do other things first. I'm trying to do my clutch first because now, you know, I'm not driving it. So $5,860 for parts alone, and that's just mods, not including like all the other maintenance stuff like the power steering pump and all the other crap I've done. And I bought the car for $5,500, which is a pretty good deal for an 08 Acura TSX 6-speed white black interior, the whole 9. So I'm $11,360 into the car, and we're just getting started, guys. Got a lot to go. Let me know in the comments down below how much you've spent on your car so far on your build. Curious to see, because I know people have spent $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. I want all your parts lists. I want your whole build list. Put it down below. Shout out to you guys for all the love and support in the comment sections in the latest videos. You guys been killing it with the positivity and the engagement and just talking to each other. We've been going crazy with the subscribers lately. We've grown like 50 in the last day, which is awesome. Shout out to you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, leave your comments, let me know your thoughts, what you guys want to see next. I've been loving doing these TSX videos and planning these out, doing certain topics and seeing it do well. Feels good, and I want to continue doing it, providing that content. Shout out to you guys. Have an awesome one. I'll see you back another time, another day with some more TSX stuff. Peace out, guys.